Hello everybody, it's Nicola and Monkey. Is everybody good? Yes? Oh, today we are going to have a story. Would you like to have a story? Yes? No? Yes? Okay, perfect. Let's read a story. Today the story is Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Okay? Let's open. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there were three bears. Daddy Bear, Mommy Bear, and Baby Bear. And they were outside playing. And Mommy said, "Okay, let's go inside. Let's go inside for breakfast." So they went inside. And there was 3 bowls of porridge. Daddy's porridge, Baby's porridge, and Mommy's porridge. And Baby Bear, he tried the porridge. Ah! Hot, hot, hot! It's hot! So Daddy said, Okay, let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. So Daddy Bear, Mommy Bear, and Baby Bear, they went outside for a walk. But while they were outside, there was a little girl called Goldilocks. Say hello, Goldilocks. And Goldilocks, she saw a house and she knocked on the door. Knock, knock, knock. Hello, hello. But there was nobody there. So the door was open, so she went inside. Inside Goldilocks, she saw 3 bowls of porridge. 1, 2, 3. First, she tried Daddy's. I don't like. She tried Mommy's. I don't like. And then she tried Baby's. Yummy, yummy. I like. Then Goldilocks went into the living room. There were 3 chairs. 1, 2, 3. Daddy's chair. Goldilocks, she sat down and she said, I don't like. It's too hard. She tried Mommy's chair. She said, I don't like. I don't like. It's too soft. Then she saw Baby's chair. Said, oh, I like. So she sat down. Sat down. Said, oh, I like this chair. But crash. Goldilocks was too big and the chair went crash. Oh, Goldilocks said, oh, I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. So Goldilocks, she went up, 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 up the stairs. Inside Goldilocks, she saw 3 beds. Daddy's bed, Mommy Bear's bed, and Baby Bear's bed. She went to Daddy Bear's bed and she said, oh no, I don't like. She went to Mommy Bear's bed and said, I don't like. Then she went into Baby Bear's bed. Oh, shh. And Goldilocks said, this bed I like. And Goldilocks, she went fast asleep. Goldilocks is sleeping. But while Goldilocks was sleeping, the 3 bears, they came home. And Baby Bear said, my porridge, my porridge. Somebody has eaten my porridge. Uh-oh. Then Baby Bear said, my chair, my chair. was sad. Somebody has broken my chair. And Daddy said, who was that? Then Mummy Bear, Daddy Bear, and Baby Bear, they went up the stairs. Stomp, stomp, stomp. And Mummy Bear said, look, look, someone's been sleeping in my bed. And Daddy Bear said, look, look, someone has been sleeping in my bed. And Baby Bear said, look, look, there's a girl, and she's sleeping in my bed. And with that, Goldilocks said, ah! And she jumped up, and she ran all the way out of the house. And the three little bears said, bye, 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 bye. But Goldilocks, she was scared, and she was running all the way home. The end. So that was the story of Goldilocks and the three bears. Remember, Daddy Bear, Mummy Bear, and Baby Bear. Well, boys and girls, thank you for listening to my story. Did you like it? Yes? Monkey, did you like the story?
Yes, I like the story.
Okay, boys and girls, I hope that you like the story and you listen to it with Mommy or Daddy or whoever is in your house. Okay? Okay, boys and girls, bye-bye.